Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to record your screen. Right now I'm recording my screen, so you need to know that some things are a little bit difficult for you when you are not filming. So what we want to do now is scroll down from your screen and then you will see this setting just right here. Right now if I'm tapping left in the button on the record button, I will stop filming this video, but if you will do that, he will count down from 3 to 0. After that, he will film your screen, and if you want to end that screen recording, then you will do what I'm doing right now, and then we tap here on the red filming icon, and once we tap on that, he will stop filming or screen recording. So you can only do this after iOS 11, so under iOS 11 you are not allowed to film. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.